In this video, I'm gonna disassemble this table and chairs, sand them down and make a fresh new finish. Let's start sanding. I'm gonna start off with using the MirkaLtd. And I'm gonna start with Abrasives 80 grit and then 120 grit. I probably increase the grit to like 320. With these round edges, I'm just going fast over like this. One of the main things I think about when sanding is that I let the machine do the work. I have started with 80 grit and I will go up to 320 grit. Exactly the same as I did with the tabletop. The paint doesn't have to come off, I just want it to be not shiny anywhere. It should be matte. Now I change to the deos so I can get into all these small corners here, and I use the Abrasives 180 grit. What I have left to do now is to put a little bit of wood fillers on some small spots. Then I can sand them down and also put tape on these oak pieces. Then they are ready to be painted. In this spray painter I have white Helmi 30 half matte paint and just a little bit of water, approximately 5%. I'm gonna put oil on the seats and on the table, and I'm using a non-colored matte oil. I'm gonna apply it using these oiling pads. Then I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil and can start like this. Then slow setting on, and you have to remember to put off dust extractor because you don't want oil inside of your hose. I think the seats are ready and the tabletop is ready, so now I'm just gonna go put another layer of paint on the chairs and on the table legs, and then we can start assembling the table and the chairs again and finally have a fresh set of chairs and table. Finally done with this project. I'm really happy with this tabletop and the seats, and that probably have with these oiling pads to do. I really loved working with these. It was like polishing out the oil, and I felt like I couldn't make a mistake because it just worked amazing. I really hope you have enjoyed watching this project, and leave a like if you have, subscribe.